met at the last gathering at Matamo. Sahamba sesigijima nge-tear gas. Here again we're meeting. Thank you very much. Siyabonga Sihlalo.
Siyabonga Comrade SG. We are having a space today, Maswati Labasanza Kusjoyina, with the topic Let's Future Aspirations and the political focus. Guti, where to from here? Siyabonga kakhulu. We've heard my points from Comrade SG telling us Guti, where did we lose it? Guti, ngalo 1973 proclamation whereby sicabanga ukuthi into yaqala kushuba lapho. It comes from way back lapho khona salahlekelwa ngumhlaba wethu simaswati. We lost dignity and we lost self-governance. Kwaqhubeka koze sekufika la sifike khona namuhla. And indeed, Comrade, before I give it to Comrade Sphetfo just to summarize, indeed, Comrade, manje, what you were saying, Comrade SG, Maswati, sesivuleke emehlo. I can't believe looking at myself, and I can't even talk about it, but we appreciate now sesivuleke emehlo and things have changed and we want to claim back what we have lost as a Maswati. And the most important points that SG mentioned was to organize more Swazis, build strong political parties, correct, and we need to implement correct and effective strategies. And we need leaders, let us leader ngalokuqotho. SG went to our leader, who is Dr. Sphetfo, from the Swalimo movement. Stella uti introduce Comrade.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Thanks very much, Linus. Ngibingelele, I think Piwa Kambula Msuthu Logos Hosta Ngibingelele futhi nemaswati onke. SG Pudemo, you are correct. The last time we met was yesterday. Mzabalazo agamela ube nema-gaps. It is for that reason that ngicela kuthatha le thuba ngibonge lo ukuthi Swazi Lives Matter ngisinikele le thuba sekuthi sike sibonisane sisharishelane nama-ideas. Let me also salute you, Comrade, for a very insightful presentation. One of the challenges that we have in society generally, kuvamise kuba ukuthi umuntu angafuni kufundziswa noma kufundziseka ngoba acabanga ukuthi uyadi. I've learned a lot from your presentation and I want to say thank you for that. Ekakhulu ngoba before uyembili kufuna ubuye ukuthi ubuya kuphi. And ngicabanga ukuthi lokho kuside kakhulu. Maswati lamahle, mine will be a shorter presentation. Angeke nginabe kakhulu ngesizathu lesithi ngithi nangibuka le topic ngayibona nayo imfisha. Ngasho ukuthi ikhona ke i-possibility yokuthi nginabe kakhulu ngoba noma ngabe i-topic imfisha but the content, the responder to the question or to the theme ingaba yenze kakhulu, but indaba mfisha Maswati. Bese ngiyaxolisa ke ukuthi kukhona lokweflu lokungiphethe kancane, kepha ke ngithi tena ngithola leli thuba ngathi angeke ngiliyekele ngoba sivamise kuba neslogan ngethini ukuthi we don't rest when we are sick or tired, but we rest when the job is done. Maswati, uma sibuka ama-future aspirations or i-political forecast yelive laseSwatini, angeke nginabe kakhulu kumlando. Comrade Wandile has done justice to that. Ngithi angicale nge-approach lengicabanga ukuthi ibaluleke kakhulu ukuthi uma sikulama platforms la so senda kanjani kuze lokhu lesikusherishako kungene etingcondweni nasetinhlitiyweni temaswati in the most simplest form. Ngithitheke Maswati lamahle angeke ngithathe i-approach let aba complicated. I'll be simple and straight to the point. Kunengi lokungenda ukuthi ngisho kanjena uma akhuluma comrade Wandile akhuluma nge-political awareness. Ngibonile lokuthi esikhathini lesiningi eMaswati aye athande nje ukuthi siwachazele ngemagama lamalula ukuthi yini le ndakala sibuya phi siyaphi. Kungaleso sizathu I'll be as simple as possible. Comrades, lokhu kubaluleke futhi ngeke ukuthi when we speak of tangible things, uma sithi we want to be free, uma sithi really and truly we want to liberate eMaswati. And now what the topic is future aspirations and political forecast. We need to adopt a principle that says action is far better than words. And we need to bring about tangible things that our people can relate with. I'll run away, comrades, because kuyavela somewhere where the topic we need to speak of a unified national ideology.